Hey folks, so Valentine's Day is coming up. One of my favorite things that we like to do at the restaurant, we like to do a surf and turf. So we have filet of beef and we have shrimp. Now with the shrimp, we marinated it with Tepa Agave, mezcal, a little bit of lime juice, and olive oil. We let that sit for a half hour. We sous vide it for 30 minutes. We pulled it out of the bag. Now we're just kind of resting. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna sear off the shrimp in the pan. We're also gonna sear the beef off. When that comes out, we're gonna plate it up. It's gonna be nice, it's gonna be sexy, it's gonna be pretty, just for your Valentine. All right, let's get going. These are beautiful shrimp. These are black tigers. So, like I said, we sous vide them in Tepa Agave, lime juice, olive oil, garlic, and now we're just bringing it back up to temperature in the pan. Get a nice color on it. We're just gonna season the beef real quick. A little bit of salt. Just throw these in the pan. Just like that. It's not hot to me. Those are really nice steaks. I'm really happy with them. Let's pull them out. So all we really did was sear them off. Finish them in the oven for only like 2 minutes. And the reason why we did that is because we sous vide them already. So they're fully cooked through. All we're doing is getting color on them, finishing up. So let's pull them off. Filet mignons. The perfect steak for Valentine's Day. Here's some spinach in there. Right in that beef fat. Add extra flavor. One-stop shop, one pan. Done.